Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a relation status on Facebook. So if you want to add your relation status on Facebook, all you have to do is of course log into your Facebook profile. And once you're there, go ahead and click your profile on the upper left hand side. Now on your profile page, you will find a section that says intro, you have your bio, you have edit details. Click on edit details and scroll down and you will find a section that's called relationship. Click on add and you can add your relationship status. So here you can just simply click under the section for relationship, and from there you can go ahead and just select whatever you want. So let's say I want to say that I am married, for example. Click on that, and from here you can just even add your partner. If your partner is on your Facebook page, you can go ahead and you can add that in and just click on save. You can even put the date for it as well. So if you want to add the date when you were married or whatever, you can always add that in. You can choose to make it private or public or whatever it is. And that's pretty much it, guys.